Hello and welcome. Today we will see how to use left function in Excel and how to use search function in Excel. These two are very important functions which you can use in a variety of different situations. So let's start with the left function. Now left function is used to get the characters, a certain number of characters from the left side of the value in a text in a cell. So let's say if we have to extract the first name out of these email addresses, we will say left, we will start the brackets for any function, and this is for F4, which is this email address. Now the next argument which the left function says is the number of characters. Now, if the number of characters were same in all the email addresses, we would just say 6 maybe. Right? So it would give us Megan, but the number of characters is not same in all the email addresses. This is 7, this is 5, so we cannot say it's fixed number of characters here. To find out how many characters are on the left side of this dot here, because dot is separating these email addresses, the first name from the last name, we will have to search for the position of the dot. So to find the position, we will use the search function. Now the search function uses a few arguments. It says which text do you want to find? We want to find the position of a dot. So we will say dot. Within what text do we want to find a position of the dot? We want to find the position of dot within F4, which is the email address. And the last argument is start number. We want to start from the left, so we will ignore this. This is a optional argument, as you can see from the square brackets around start num. So we will ignore this, close the bracket of the left function, and see what we get. We got Megan, but we got with a dot. The reason we got it with a dot because search function starts from the left side. It says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. So it said the position of the dot is 7th, and then the left function took the first 7 characters from the email address. So to get the first 6 characters or 1 character less than the dot, what we have to do in this case is to say search function minus 1. In this case, the search will return us the position of the dot in F4 as 7 minus 1, which would be 6, and then the left function would take the first 6 characters. Let's see. Right, so it returns us Megan. Let's do the same thing here, 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 and let's see. Oh yes, we got all the first names. Once again, what we have done is we have taken the characters from the left. How many characters? To find out how many characters, we use the search function. Search function found the value of this dot within the string, the value of dot. In this case, for example, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But we don't want 8. We want the value before the dot. So we say minus 1. And that's it. We got all the first names. Similarly, if we want the last names, we will use the right function, which I'll cover in my next video. Thanks for watching.